Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to scan documents using your cell phone. So here I'll be teaching you how to scan your documents using your cell phone. And right now we're gonna use the Cam Scanner app. You can use Google Lens or maybe your iPhone scanner, but I recommend you guys using Cam Scanner because for some reason Cam Scanner is really good at scanning apps. Like it's meant for scanning, so highly suggest using Cam Scanner right here. So here all you need to do is to scan your documents right here. We're gonna delete this first. Delete all. There you go. So now I think we deleted. There you go. All we need to do is click on scan new docs, the middle if you just started. Then all we need to do is take a picture of our um, document right here. As you can see, I have ready my document right there. So now we're gonna click on next. After clicking on next, as you can see, our document right here. Watch, there you go. As you can see, it like enhanced it, makes it much more cooler, and it removes all the other stuff like on the side, the background stuff. So even if you're gonna take a picture of it a little bit far away, watch, I'm gonna do this. Watch what I'm gonna do, like that far away. Watch this, guys. Watch this. See, as you can see, it's not, you can see it, you can't see it that clearly, but watch will do, the cams can do a little bit blurry, but oopsie, I'm sorry, I backed it up. Wait, there you go, a little bit blurry. Watch what the cam scan will do. There you go. As you can see, the cam scan like really enhance it and make it looks like it's very close. So I highly suggest using Scam Scanner for you guys. And it's like having a personal printing scanner with you. So yeah, highly suggested use for you guys. And another way of scanning this is by taking the picture right here. Picture. Wait, just gonna go back. Taking a picture right there. There you go. Picture. Okay, taking the picture. Then next. It's like having yourself a printing scanner right here. So there you go. As you can see, look how clear and clean that is. There you go. You can rotate it, and you can add markup, extra text, and sign you want. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.